Hi, I'm Brendan Morrison, owner of Brandon's Plumbing. We've been servicing the entire metro area since 1989.
Hi, I'm Grayson Morrison, second generation operating manager of Brandon's Plumbing. We're a full service plumbing company and specialize in camera assisted leak detection, sewer line repair and replacement, and the capability to offer additional trenchless services. Why don't you give us a call and let us help you with all of your plumbing needs? We won't ever try to sell you anything you don't need. Again, I'm Grayson Morrison with Brandon's Plumbing, and we're here for you.